Hi beauty, welcome back to my channel. Trying a new things on my hair today. One beautiful thing about what I'm about to do on my hair today is it does not take time, and it's a beautiful hairstyle, African hairstyle that everyone can try on their hair. One good thing about making your own hairstyle is that you spend less time and you spend less money on your hair. After making this particular hairstyle for myself, I say to myself, everything is possible when you are determined to do it. This is my first time of trying this particular hairstyle myself though. Watch this video to the end. You can see that it's one of the beautiful and simplest hairstyle you can do for yourself. It's a DIY hairstyle, even though you don't know how to make it. The way I started it and the way I ended it was so very practical and very simple that anyone out there can do. I derive joy from making my own hair because at times you will not have that much time to go and sit in the salon, queue for your own turn to make it. And this time around I have a very urgent occasion to attend. I was thinking, how will I go out with this my hairstyle, old hairstyle? Then immediately a thought came to me to drop my old hairstyle and make something simple in less than 30 minutes. Guys, this hairstyle was made in less than 30 minutes with a Brazilian wool extension. You can see how it is, very simple, very easy. Already I'm sectioning it and you can see that the beauty is already coming out just by sectioning the hair. After sectioning it, I need to braid it out. Guys, if you want to braid your own hairstyle, it's very simple. This particular hairstyle make me to understand that braiding on yourself is one of the simplest thing you can give to yourself. You can see me crocheting the Brazilian wool. I use Brazilian wool extension for this particular hairstyle. Crocheting it is one of the simplest work I've ever seen so far. After crocheting it, I need to use extra extension to hold it down of my hair. Why I need to hold it down is for it not to lose. I'm making it by myself. Then I rolled the extension and started twisting and folding it. Look at it now. It is one of the easiest hairstyle and very beautiful. Believe me, it's something that you would love to try at home, especially when you have urgent things to meet and no time for you to go and make your hair in salon. I love this hairstyle to the point that I have to carry it even after the occasion. If you are watching this video to this extent, please don't forget to give me a like button, share this video, and don't forget to drop your comment if you like the hairstyle. But make sure you watch it to the end and see the outcome of this particular Brazilian wool 4 pieces hairstyle I made on myself. Very beautiful, very easy to make. Even though you don't know how to make it, you can make this particular hairstyle on yourself. So lovely that after making it, as I said earlier, I have to carry it for some times. This is me parting it, trying to cross the hair into each other. You can see how I'm trying to take from the left to the right and from the right to the left to give me that look that I want. This is exactly what I'm getting. I'm getting it and it's coming out very beautiful. Wow. If you love it already, please don't forget to give me a like, share this video, and don't forget to drop your comment. I'm trying to design it to my taste. You may see this my beautiful flower I apply. Wow, so lovely. I love this flower so much that I can't do without using it on most of my DIY hairstyle. This is me trying to apply a little gel to slip down the hair. Normally this is a natural hair. I need to slip it down a little bit so that it will avoid flying up and down when I'm walking on the street. Wow, this is the look. How do you see it, guys? Look at the back now. So easy, so simple, and so affordable hairstyle that you can try for yourself. If you are going to try it, drop it in the comment section. Let me know you are going to try it, and don't forget to share this video to get to other viewers. Thank you for watching my video to this extent. See you guys in my next video. I love you.